Introducing the Hammelmann Aqua 14 UHP jetting trailer. This machine goes up to 2,800 bar, 26 litres a minute. It's the ultimate high pressure water jetting solution for industrial marine applications. Designed for durability, the Aqua 14 features a fully galvanised chassis. The pump is housed in a noise insulated canopy. Fitted is an external socket for an emergency e-stop. The unit has 4 lifting points and a galvanised storage box to keep all your accessories in. Powered by a robust 170 horsepower Deutz diesel engine, this unit meets the latest emission standards. The unit has a second pressure step which is capable of delivering 2,600 bar up to 30 litres a minute. The Aqua 14 is generally used for hand lancing or hydrodemolition. It is also used for surface preparation, removing stubborn coatings, rust and contaminants from a wide range of surfaces, ensuring a clean, damage-free finish. Equipped with the user-friendly latest ES4 controller unit, operators can easily adjust settings for optimal performance, making it a versatile tool for various cleaning challenges. From rotary nozzles and hose reels to specialised PPE, the Aqua 14 offers a range of optional accessories, enhancing safety and versatility for any high-pressure water jetting task. With over 2 decades of experience in the high-pressure water jetting industry, Hydroblast is dedicated to providing top-quality solutions and support. Contact us today to discover how the Hammelmann Aqua 14 can elevate your operations.